Hello, my name is Judith Dayana Martinez Rincon. Uh, of technology on the environment. The environment impact is the modification of the environment by action the nature, such as a earthquake, a tsunami, hurricane, among others. This modification uh, can also occur due to human action. So, of reconstruction, deforestation, destruction of the vegetation layer. For example, the failing deforestation meaning exploitation and the war and project stand intervening the environment. What do I not to do take care of the environment? From obtain iron material to the disposal of waste generation of their time and technology prediction can has their consequence for the conservation of the environment. Some examples are the certification and the environment impact of technology work, the production in the time on time, treatment of money, trap material of energy source, the cost, energy, and money industrial activity. How, how can I feel improved if the impact of the environment? And impact on the environment also important is como of us planet solar. Okay? In which in a garden plants trees also but aware that the environment is like in the heart for of experience prevention programas for the environment. Conclusion. In conclusion, from household, how we can contribute to house natural source of light while there is a source nature on the light. In latter, also solar panel. Do not burn garbage, recycle what more and come from my environment, such as disposable cheese, plastic, etc. etc. We must take care of the nature so that our children see a better future. Thank you.